Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Sairam's World. Today our topic is motion. Motion is which is seen in anything and like as a clock, car and mobile like everything. Motion is which at the object is moving one place to another. There are some other kinds of motions like different types of motion. Periodic, rectilinear, curvilinear, oscillatory, circulatory, translatory. Translatory motion. Translatory motion or rectilinear motion is the motion which is seen in every like we walk in straight line and the car will moving in a straight line and bike and cycle and everything. This motion is seen in the car, bus and cycle and etc. Oscillatory motion. Oscillatory motion is the motion which is defined as flow motion and used in pendulum clock and it moves here and there in the called as oscillatory motion and it's seen in the pendulum clock and swing machine etc. These are some examples of oscillatory motion. Rotatory motion. Rotatory motion is the motion is which is revolved in a fixed path and same axis. The rotatory motion is seen in the motion of car, bike, cycle motion and the rotatory motion is seen in the clock and spin top and these are some example of rotatory motion. Curvilinear motion. The motion which take place in the curved path is called as curvilinear motion. Throwing a paper plane and a giant wheel in the motion is curvilinear motion and these are some example of this motion. Instruments of measuring speed. Speedometer and odometer. Speedometer is measured to measure the speed and odometer is to measure the how many kilometer we have traveled. Speed and fast motion. Speed motion is the motion moving speed then other is called as speed motion. Speed motion like example of motion is about 220 kilometers per hour and etc. 200 kilometers per hour etc. Slow motion is a motion which every long interval if this time is slow motion. The slow motion of a snail and etc. Uniform motion and non-uniform motion. Uniform motion is a motion with same interval of a time is called as uniform motion. The motion of the earth and the hand if the clock there is these are the examples of uniform motion. Non-uniform motion. Non-uniform motion is the motion which is is done in not same interval of time. Motion of the temperature of the in the month of January, June and July. Vibratory motion. Motion which is the moved same intervals of motion is called vibratory motion. The vibration of the phone etc. Units of time. There are three types of measurements of time. There are seconds, minutes and hour. These are measured by clock and watch, stopwatch and etc. Different types to measure the different types of clocks to measure the time. Newton's three laws of motion. Newton's first law. Object in the motion tended to stay in a motion and objects tended to rest unless exerted upon the unbalanced force. Newton's second law. Force is equal to mass times of acceleration. Newton's third law. For every action there is a equal opposite reaction. Bye friends. Please like, share and subscribe.